ויאמר השם אל נוח בוא אתה וכל ביתך אל הטבע כי עושך ראיתי צדיק לפני בדור הזה. הקדוש ברוך הוא says to Noach, you and your whole family come to the ark because you are a tzaddik. You are a tzaddik in this generation. Says Rashi, over here, Noach is called a tzaddik. But at the beginning of the parasha, HaKadosh Baruch Hu calls Noach tzaddik tamim, a complete righteous one. It's a higher level of shevach, of praise. It says Rashi and the sources from the Medrash, you see from here, that when you're talking to a person or when you're saying things in front of the person, you don't say all his praise, you only say a part of his praise. When HaKadosh Baruch Hu was talking about Noach, he says his entire praise, tzaddik tamim, a complete tzaddik, but when he's talking directly to Noach, he only calls him a tzaddik. But why is it that you can't say the entire praise of a person in front of him when he is present? Explains the Be'er Lapian. No one would like others to know his shortcomings. So when you say all the praise of a person, the person in essence is saying, I know you fully. So the person is thinking, if he knows all my praise, he probably also knows all my shortcomings. But if you only say part of his praise, so then the person says, just like he doesn't know all my praise, he also hopefully also doesn't know all my shortcomings. If you say all the praise, in essence, you're not praising him, you're actually annoying him because now he thinks, this guy knows everything about me. He knows all my shortcomings as well. So it's not really praising him. Therefore, in front of a person, you only say part of his praise, not his entire praise.